Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuir. In this class, we will discuss about how to convert the given Mealy machine to Mealy machine. In our previous classes, we already discussed about what's Mealy machine and what's Mealy machine. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Suppose if you write the logic in Mealy machine, you can convert into Mealy machine. The reverse is also possible. How to convert the Mealy machine to Mealy machine, we will discuss in our next class. Coming to today's class, how to convert Mealy machine to Mealy. Let's take few examples and understand. This is our Mealy machine. Why we call it as Mealy machine? On state we mentioned the output Q0, we have to display output A. On Q0, if you apply input symbol 0, we are moving to Q2. Q2 we will display B. On Q3 we will display B. On Q1 we are going to display B. Like this is our transaction. So 0 comma 1, whenever you apply 1, we are moving to Q0. On Q1, if you are going to Q2, on Q1 we are moving to, or taking the input symbol 0, we are moving to Q3. This is our transition diagram for the Mealy machine. Now what's the first step you have to do in order to convert the Mealy machine to Mealy machine? We have to write the transition table for our diagram. This is our transition table. On state Q0, if you see the input symbol 0, we are moving to Q2. On state Q0, if you see the input symbol 1, we are moving to Q1. On state Q0, we are going to display A. On state Q1, we are going to display B. On state Q2, we are going to display B. On state Q3, we are going to display B. This transition table, writing this transition table, we already know from our basic or of classes from Finite Automata. That's why we are not stressing much on this. So let's convert step by step into Mealy machine. On state Q0, if you see the input symbol, we are moving to Q2 state. What it is going to display on Q2 state? B. This is what we will write in Mealy machine. On state Q0, if you see the input symbol 0, we are moving to Q2, and what's the output it is going to display? B, because Q2 is going to display B. That's it. It's very simple. Let's take one more. On Q0, if you see the input symbol 1, we are moving to Q1 state. What Q1 is going to display? Q1 is going to display B. See, on Q0, if you see the input symbol, we are moving to Q1. What's the output it is going to display? B. This is the transition table for the Mealy machine. Like that, we have to write for all the transitions. On Q1, if you see the input symbol 0, we are moving to Q3. What's the Q3 state is going to display? B. Similarly, on Q1, if you see the input symbol 0, we are moving to Q3 state. What it is going to display? B. Like that, write transitions for from our Mealy machine transition table, write all the transitions for the Mealy machine. This is how it's very simple. This is the complete. You try to do the remaining things. We are not going to explain everything. So you try to do the remaining one. So this is our final Mealy machine output. Both of them are going to do the same thing. They are going to display the same output. Okay, coming to the next example, let's take one more example. This is our state. Q0 we want to display 0, Q1 we want to display 1, Q2 we want to display 2. And if you take B, we are moving to Q0. If you take B, if you take A, we are moving to Q1. If you take A, we are moving to Q2. On A, we are moving to Q0. Now coming to the transition table of this diagram, we will write like this. Q0, if you take A, we are moving to Q1, B, Q0. On Q1, if you take A, we are moving to Q2, Q1. Q0 is going to display 0, Q1 is going to display 1, Q2 is going to display 2. How to convert this into Mealy machine? On Q0, if you take input symbol A, we are moving to Q1. What's Q1 is going to display? 1. That's it. On Q0, if you take input symbol A, we are moving to Q1. What's it is going to display? It is going to display 1. The same way, on Q0, if you see the input symbol B, we are moving to Q0. What Q0 is going to display? 0. So on Q0, if you take the input symbol B, we are moving to Q0. What it is going to display? 0. This is what the transition table for the Mealy machine. Both are similar now. You take any input, both Mealy and Mealy machine is going to display the same output. Q0, Q1, Q2, remaining transition. You try to do the remaining transitions by looking at our transition table and diagram. Hope you understand the concept of how to convert the Mealy machine to Mealy machine. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.